campus, right? So I'll just go to each of this. So this is the first part. I said 55 acres campus, so you can understand it is in Tumkur, just for 30-40 kilometers from Bangalore. So, and you can see it's a very beautiful campus, and this college was started in the 1979. So it's not a new college, it's a college which is 40 years already completed, and it's a under based out of Tumkur, so very close to Bangalore. And these are some of the pictures of the placement blocks, the PG block, and the science and technology park. So all of those are the new infrastructure, auditorium, right? So these are all everything is a new infrastructure here. That is what students can enjoy. And the best part of it is it's in the green learning. So it's not like a Bangalore 3-4 acre campus or 5 acres campus, where you do not have much ability to move around and study, right? So that is, it is good. And this is one of the halls, and this is a library. So the very beautiful library, you can see this, it's based on the Buddha theme, right? So Siddhartha Institute, that's the name, and it's a very beautiful library, you can see. And this is a vocational training center, again part of the campus. So again the modern state of art buildings all there into the campus. And this is the seat matrix. So total 120 for computer science, 120 for ECE, and information science 120. So core branches 120, 120, 120, 362 is what you can majorly concentrate. And you can assume 50 to 60% placements on this college. And the highest salary I have already mentioned there. And you can also go for MTech and MTech in this college. These are the few options with the seats which are mentioned there. So that is on a very high level. And this is the computer science department, so which offers BE, MTech computer science, and PhD in computer science. So that is how few of the infrastructure the college is provided. So that is all good, decent type, and provides a good environment. This is the information science program, where there is no MTech or MCA, but there is more of a engineering BE program for this course. So this is also good. And this is about talking about the MCA, right? You can also do MCA. So now coming to the UG program, right? As I said, CET, right? This is, they take admission through CET and Comet K, both of them. And they have based on, as you're aware, it is having a reservations for different categories of backward classes, as well as other other PMSSs for the Jammu and Kashmir students, and the along, right? So those type of reservations are also there. And as for SCST, and the minimum qualifying marks as same as the KCET is around 45%. So that you should be getting in the class 12. So that should, okay. Now coming further, some more pictures about the other parts of students life, which is guest house, gymnasium, ladies hostel, boys hostel. So you see this is a very good, and because the campus is also good, and this type of facilities are very good. So you will not get anything less than what you get in Bangalore here for your program. So, and the fees is also lesser than, for example, the Comet K fee is less than 2 lakhs or 1.6 or 1.5 lakhs. So that benefit also you get here if you take through Comet K mode. And recreational sports facilities also, big grounds are there. So 55 acres, that means you will have a big campus itself, right? So every facility will be there. And canteen is again can accommodate to 150 people, as you see, right? So most of the amenities I have shown you. I think I missed the bank, ATM, and the cafeteria is also there, part of the college facilities. Post office is there inside, you don't need to go out. And others, laundry, photocopying, everything is inside the campus. Now I'll directly jump into the placement, because college description has been doing good. Now these are the companies which are visiting the college, right? So TCS and Mahindra, Nokia, Quest, Infosys, Dell, and Face. So TCS, IN, right? So many of these are Cognizant, Hexaware. So all of the Capgemini, all of them are good companies, right? So they are visiting companies. They are not the mass recruiters, but they are taking in decent 8 to 10 amounts, and around 177 students got placed. So that is the figure, right? 177 students. I know this is a very small, but I will read for you. So this is this around 60 students got placed into TCS, and 1 student in Hexaware, right? Which I could see, and the salary is 3.3 lakhs in TCS is what it is showing, right? So you can take a snapshot and zoom it, and maybe you can see that. But yeah, Again, this sheet is talking about the ECE students, CSE students mostly on this sheet, and they are getting, the offer is from NNTT 5 students, Technologies Global 5 students, and Lido Learning, it's giving 10 lakh salary. So 3 students have got 10 lakh salary in Lido, which is the highest salary in this campus. This again shows, some students with the company called FaceApp, and they offer 3 lakhs. And the other shows about the IBM, around 10 students into IBM at the package of 3.5 lakhs. So IBM is at the campus, Wipro 1 student, Mindtree 1 student, and the Accenture around 4 students, Capgemini 2 students, and they are all at 4.5 lakh salary, which is whatever it is. Apart from that, there is Elmico software on the campus. Now you see here Verizio, which is a very popular company, and the whole sheet of around 20 people are from Verizio. So Verizio takes in big numbers, 20-25 students, and they offer 5 lakhs salary. So this is also considered as a good paymaster, right? 5 lakhs is a good salary for this college, and 20-25 students got placed in such good salary. And then again, here is a company called Kamraj Dunlop Sakeshwari, which company called Lido Learning. They gave again 10 lakhs to CSE student. So Lido Learning is the highest payer. You saw there 3-4 students, now one more student on this sheet. So at least 4 students have joined the Lido. And then the next coming some few more. Earlier there were 10 IBMs, and there are 5 more IBM here at 4.5 lakhs. So IBM is also big recruiter. Accenture was 7 students there, and now I see 7-8 more students here, and 10 more students for Accenture, and 2 more for Capgemini. So multiple places, multiple branches, but I am CSE, ISE, and machine learning also I'm seeing, and EC on this sheet. So these are the few branches which should be taking, right? And they are offering Capgemini 5 more students here, so, and few students from MCA also, 4 students from MCA. So and this is the last seats, 177 student right tool, and this again Verzio 5. So Verzio is the big company here, and they are taking more than 30 students. Infosys 15 to 20 students, Accenture 15 to 20, TCS, and so on, right? So that way, and I see just 2 students from civil also. So Verzio is allowing civil industrial students also to sit there. So that's, thank you for watching so long, but please take a snapshot and see if we want to see in more details. But the purpose of is to give you idea about the colleges close to Bangalore, so that you can stay in Bangalore in good facilities also, and try for the best place.